Amwana yesubani ane yono ye boy hene dodo yesuti atiemu dodo tina no pay masam ni say are you complaining ade ho abobo na wudie ade ho yaw na wudie ankoa da bia wo bobna ma oni so afo osumye da bia ankoa no wo bibi ka ankoa de da bia kokwo abrabo mu bia ankoa de nye masam bi say are you complaining this morning na mi wo senior high school because I to secondary school na me na muda kwa na abrabo no sa mane yakofofo na nye yakọ school ye ma me tontoma na ade na ode ma yesi emfa kosua ade na da bia na me di yawo se me hwa me mfafo bi na me hwese de omo de esi kwama omo gya no de ka besi ho na yi niema na yewe na da bia me rawo se na de na da kuru bi me na mu na me dru ba bia visual arts for omo hye wona de no na musi aye sculpture bi boho ya didua sene bibi kama bodan ho na afimu na me dia reho sanse na mi sa me dem se nyame oni mi ni yie sanse na mi hu musa mi Kristo ni na dey na me nko ade enkofo ma ekoye ma wo mo na me nko ade da bia me sere na me di na me share sculpture no so me a chonchire bi go ho na eno hu komo na pese me ni di this morning masam ne say are you complaining? Yatro Abu sculpture no say, do not complain. It makes the devil happy. Asante wa na also no. Do not complain. It makes the devil happy. Na mi hu ye me hye say na fimu na ma bob na fimu na bibi hye so. Na mi say me de me nyankopon na so nka me ho. Say abobo di aye di no. Say jajo aye twa no. Ye hye osefo no. Ye ma na ni je. If we complain, we only makes the devil happy. Ebraya boy hene, ebraya timi so, na yesu Nyankopon so da bia no, na ye twa ho hye bia nya efe no, na ye ka kire Nyankopon say, ye yin boni aye. Are you complaining this morning? Minim dadwini bia da ho so. Minim amane bia wonam mu. Mama me can say, if you are complaining this morning, and run me wo didi ansa na wo da ka kire msa me boa. Enu numere enu adamu ni nyina betimi aka kyem say aduane ankawa no you don't know enu ye obi wasase we so a aduane ankana no it's aduane kawa no then be thankful for the food you had yesterday ma woni nyi aduane enu wo nyaye no ho enye obi a na nyamusa to obi ni nyum wo so obi nyawaye because kuma central prisons akwaya baby na metru ho na yabodwa na yeto dwom ya na migina dwom na me ye chiame na abranti bi gina kama me kwa ya na minim se no na akọ etia na edidi nkoma no ka dem say me wa happy no wo he also what the happy na abranti asem ni nyamu se no wadam fie num ekodu so abranti kama wo to dwom kama pa na mi bisa ne se na eye den na beda wasi bo na nye na manamfo no se omko wiadi na odi echiri yakwa no bia timi dwane na ka wo no only experience nti e chain no ya man 36 goodies ranti kama obon kan bon tuni bo bibia bi wadam 36 goodies say na wo da won person na de chain. Are you complaining? Many need in common na ba ku gina che say na say the 36 na wusu me tell me 50 o the same time another man was here 24 krum wa kese no wa produce do na ye didn't come gina ho was he is spending more than 50 years in prison. Only before o gina won say branini but dem ra wo da wo dem manage. Are you complaining? Me ni mo da duni bi e da so e bia na wo e bi kwa ba bia do ti ba to bia wa wonya wo dan wo de dan comfort na abobna hey ko prison ko he wait ti wa ha na we na wa ha yes she ni pass sade. Are you complaining? Me ni mo de but me pesa me catch on say you Nyankopon bia wo so che wo ha wo bon na che de do ko akoma to yem e bia na yare bi na tin so na ayekora nkoro it was so de bia no wo ni fie ho some brothers ama ama no obi so akora nya so what so ma ni su afo so ye hey enra obi da confirm che wan sori bio obi da confirm che ansa bia wan sori bio etu de ka wakoma to yam ko be asante ko tok so won kwa awade tie se kwa ade ka wakoma to yam. Are you complaining? Me ka se re na tin so na ye enye na mom ju Nyankopon di inse so de be bon hwe no ko so da Nyankopon ase na to aye ye dwom na be ye senchere no wa bra bom no wa bon hwe na che. Are you complaining? Esika na enu botom enso da de che ono ma munya de mu bedie uni sika da bank kofo na unsili kofo ka unto bi na ya dai sabe producer enye onko na de hia wo ye Nyankopon no wo mai de bedi ma de beda koma de kora nchen wo de ye che obi de ntuma wo fi no e obi ade papa bi e obi garment dabo da bia obokọ na da bia yesere wo no obi nya waye wate kwahwe obi ti ba bi watade a wo se enye na da bia wo twa adwo no da bia wo so wadi na de na dane no obi nya ko be na fimu. Are you complaining? Okwa awo so na akwada no ko okwa awarem wase urukunu no mabotiri sasansa wo ma ti da bia wo twa adwo twa nipa ko hia men ka se wunya bi no ye na memre ane mrepa kan wakoma to yemenu aba kai say ebra wo so wakwa aware pa awone man no obinya aware ni mawura na nko no kra de mawura aware ma aware me so yefra Mrs na nka awone man ko pe te kan wakoma to yemu de eche obi de obi atwa mu fie aduana ko fie aduana enu onya aware na wanya ni bi se waware ne nye na da bi abon hwene ana de ndi a obi nya ase atena so so be bon hwene de atwa wo sia biara banya bibia bon hwene. Are you complaining? Obi edi sujan fie aduana enu aware no nyanya bi aware na wote ase a obobra da bia obobena no wo de echi obi de tabraba wo nemu na nko da bia wo se bia nya ma wo a ma me kan kire ni ma atwa wo asia no obi nya bio sa so bi da ya resabia oni before bia se ni o kan me dakeke or say as you waste your breath complaining about life, someone out there is breathing their last. Unkwa wenya hodna wenya humia wenya wodi ball ni sugu nya meso e charge ado chire ni panyina ka wo chire ni panyina no obi da ya resabia ne humi e twa to na wo no me ati ye wenya bi na di bonya meso go wenya bi sanka di be bosso go no fa yinya nkropon ba se ado nya nkropon waye na wo be hye ni woni munya mo babra. Are you complaining this morning? Masem bi samo only before we say complaining will attract more things to complain about. And brother, they be out born, they be out in so, they be out one, and the name of the one we are the own champion of that. And pay yes, be content whatever you have. There will be a mawani so. Nami minion. Don't complain, it only makes the devil happy. A brother who support in a brother who soon, who tell me so many soon your phone. What was self for any agent? What catch yourself for say? What was to tell me? I want to tell you this morning, there is no sorrow on earth that heaven can never heal. Be pioneer sasisu, ni so pioneer sasu or sorrow. What means, sir? So stop complaining. There won't be a being a 1 year. Party. When you're 9 years, now you will cover. Tim kwa yeduma. When some new to chow, your chobi na bako chobi sabako. Obini 9 years, ni nyana wani bi. San ka be born here soon. Can be alhamdulillah. Where in your cook my. Are you complaining? Who dear eche obi de wati? Who dear eche obi de? I'm a penya coupon fan chaye. Said that be aware of good soon in ya. Ya it's ya for. Near Bonia for. Don't them was as it should be around. Must my catch us at 4 bed trap. Come up to him and stop complaining. Then you could anymore. Stop complaining. I was a champion since I cast him out in your coupon or best shen one. Must send you 1 year. Come to him and stop complaining. In your coupon would anymore. Would 10 year good tea impossible would name the door. You may be above 4 me in Sancras and you may be the 3 a.m. show. You're from me or Brempon could do apple at in crowd. Young call other voices in home. Name could see what you did or say a tour. If you try to pay my son, you say to be our name, that you be our name, a tour, a bit chat, come up a 2 year.